Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 15th on a Tuesday, and looking at the SPY, had a nice day yesterday, but we did close below that 10-period moving average. So tough market right now for swing trading, but nonetheless I'm seeing some opportunity out there. Let's take a look. We are gapping down in the market today and across the board, so keep that in the back of your mind there. But let's take a look at some opportunity. I like Amazon here. I would love to see this thing come down here and tag this 10-period moving average, but may not get it. That would just be a show of strength. And so watching this level around 141 and that Amazon, if you can take that out, it's a good chance it may go to a several month high there. PCAR, this is one that tried to gap down after earnings. Investors and traders bought it back, and it's been going sideways now for, gosh, about 3 weeks. So look for a break above maybe the 86.75 level in that PCAR. Another one, SUMN, beautiful chart here, SUMN. There was your earnings play, had about 5 days of up move, and now we pulled back, consolidating right above its moving averages, looking for a 3-day high there. Let's call it around 38.60 there in SUMN. One other beautiful chart, FRPT, and there you have it. There's your earnings call, huge volume, consolidating, going sideways. You got the rising 10-period moving average, could act as a springboard. I'm just gonna, I don't want to let it get all the way up to like 81 before I buy it, so I may be early in something like this, but still liking that setup there in FRPT. All right, guys, that's it for today. Keep it tight out there. Tough conditions. Have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.